Hospital Infection Control (HIC). Number 1. The organization has a comprehensive and coordinated hospital infection prevention and control program aimed at reducing or eliminating risks to patients, visitors, and providers of care and community. The Hospital Infection Control Program is documented which aims at preventing and reducing risk of nosocomial infections. The hospital has a multidisciplinary infection control committee. The hospital has an infection control team. The hospital has designated and qualified infection control nurses for this activity. The infection prevention and control program is a continuous process and updated at least once in a year. Core. The Hospital Infection Prevention and Control Program is documented, which aims at preventing and reducing the risk of healthcare associated infections in the hospital. Commitment. The Hospital Infection Prevention and Control Program identifies high-risk activities and has written guidance to prevent and manage infections for these activities. Commitment. The Infection Prevention and Control Program is reviewed and updated at least once a year. Achievement. The Infection Prevention and Control Program is reviewed based on Infection Control Assessment Tool. Commitment. The organization has a multidisciplinary infection control committee which coordinates all infection prevention and control activities. Commitment. The organization has an infection control team which coordinates the implementation of all infection prevention and control activities. Commitment. The organization has designated infection control officer as part of the infection control team. Commitment. The organization implements information, education, and communication program for infection prevention and control activities for the community. Commitment. The organization participates in managing community outbreaks. Number 2. The organization provides adequate and appropriate resources for infection prevention and control. Core. The management makes available resources required for the infection control program. Commitment. The organization earmarks adequate funds from its annual budget in this regard. Commitment. Adequate and appropriate personal protective equipment, soaps, and disinfectants are available and used correctly. Achievement. Isolation or barrier nursing facilities are available. Number 3. The organization implements the infection prevention and control program in clinical areas. Core. The organization adheres to standard precautions at all time. Core. The organization adheres to hand hygiene guidelines. Commitment. The organization adheres to transmission-based precautions. Core. The organization adheres to safe injection and infusion practices. Commitment. Appropriate antimicrobial usage policy is established and documented. Core. The organization implements the antimicrobial usage policy and monitors the rational use of antimicrobial agents. Excellence. The organization implements an antibiotic stewardship program. Number 4. The organization implements the infection prevention and control program in support services. Commitment. The organization has appropriate engineering controls to prevent infections. Commitment. The organization designs and implements a plan to reduce the risk of infection during construction and renovation. Core. The organization adheres to housekeeping procedures. Core. Biomedical waste is handled appropriately and safely. Commitment. The organization adheres to laundry and linen management process. Commitment. The organization adheres to kitchen sanitation and food handling issues. Number 5. The organization takes action to prevent healthcare associated infections in patients. Commitment. The organization takes action to prevent catheter associated urinary tract infections. Commitment. The organization takes action to prevent infection-related ventilator-associated complication or ventilator-associated pneumonia. Commitment. The organization takes action to prevent catheter-linked bloodstream infections. Commitment. The organization takes action to prevent surgical site infections. Number 6. The organization performs surveillance to capture and monitor infection prevention and control data. Core. The scope of surveillance incorporates tracking and analyzing of infections risks, rates, and trends. Commitment. Verification of data is done regularly by the infection control team. Commitment. Surveillance is directed towards the identified high-risk activities. Core. Surveillance includes monitoring compliance with hand hygiene guidelines. Commitment. Surveillance includes mechanisms to capture the occurrence of multi-drug-resistant organisms and highly virulent infections. Core. Surveillance includes monitoring the effectiveness of housekeeping services. Commitment. Feedback regarding surveillance data is provided regularly to the appropriate healthcare provider. Commitment. The organization identifies and takes appropriate action to control outbreaks of infections. Commitment. Surveillance data is analyzed and appropriate corrective and preventive actions are taken. Number 7. Infection prevention measures include sterilization or disinfection of instruments, equipment, and devices. Commitment. The organization provides adequate space and appropriate zoning for sterilization activities. Core. Cleaning, packing, disinfection, or sterilization, storing and the issue of items is done as per the written guidance. Commitment. Reprocessing of single-use instruments, equipment, and devices are done as per written guidance. Commitment. Regular validation tests for sterilization are carried out and documented. Commitment. The established recall procedure is implemented when a breakdown in the sterilization system is identified. Number 8. The organization takes action to prevent or reduce healthcare-associated infections in its staff. Commitment. The organization implements occupational health and safety practices to reduce the risk of transmitting microorganisms among healthcare providers. Commitment. The organization implements an immunization policy for its staff. Achievement. The organization implements work restrictions for healthcare providers with transmissible infections. Commitment. The organization implements measures for blood and body fluid exposure prevention. Commitment. Appropriate post-exposure prophylaxis is provided to all staff members concerned. Thank you.